Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Josh and this is my 79 Corvette. Today I have a very special video because I am just full of joy and I'm thrilled and I'm excited to let you guys know that I finally surpassed 1,000 subscribers. This is done pretty much 100% because of you guys. I am humbled at the fact that so many of you guys rely on me for information, reliable and unreliable. but I'm just excited at the fact that you guys find what I do interesting. You guys enjoy what I do. I think the comments that I've received over the past couple of weeks that I've been kind of off have been nothing but positive. I'm just very excited. I'm very happy, and I couldn't wait to get home and just kind of tell you guys that and share this news with you because anyone could be a YouTuber and anyone can create a million videos and anyone can have a ton of subscribers and stuff, but me personally, I struggle a lot with being in front of the camera, and I struggle a lot with showcasing things that I'm not extremely familiar with. So the fact that I'm learning as I go and I'm learning how to edit my own videos and post my own videos and create my own content and kind of do everything by myself could be a very overwhelming task, aside from having a full-time job that requires my dedication not only at home and in the office but also traveling. And so it is a very demanding job at times, as well as having this one as a second part-time job that's slowly becoming into a full-time job. So the fact that you guys are supporting me constantly and giving me feedback on whether I'm doing something wrong, I'm doing it right, I'm doing it a mediocre way, or I'm just doing some BS, whatever, and kind of correcting me on that, it helps me so much to, behind closed door kind of practice how to do it properly. So I wanted to first and foremost just thank you guys for the extreme support.